Hey guys, I'm Alex from thetechnoclass.com, and today we are going to do a quick unscripted unboxing of the Cherry Mobile Urban. This is, I think, don't quote me on this, but I think this is the first phone with Android 4.4 KitKat out of the box from our local brands. Of course, the Cosmos Z2 was already updated to KitKat very recently, but yeah, this is a quad-core MediaTek 6582 with Android 4.4 KitKat. I'm actually very excited to see what sort of the KitKat looks like on this guy, because hopefully it's stock Android, but probably we'll see the start launcher as well. So we are gonna do the whole unboxing thing. As you can see, it's still wrapped in plastic, so we do not know what's inside. Like I said, unscripted unboxing means, you know, we don't know anything about the phone, well, except for the specs. So we are basically figuring everything out as we go along, as the video goes along. And this looks pretty nice. The back looks pretty nice. It smells like paint. The box still smells like paint. I don't know. Whatever. Alright, so looks inside the box here. As you can see, there was the plastic right there. What is this? I guess this is still the USB. No, it's I know what this is. Ha! You can't trick me. Ha! Look at that. All right. So inside the box we have a this looks like a 3.5mm headset. I thought it would look like the Omega Infinity headphones, but it didn't look the same. It doesn't look the same as the Mega Infinity ones. We have a micro USB cable for charging and data transfer. Ooh, that is a very small battery. Adapter. USB adapter. How much do we get from this guy? We have 1000 milliamps. And here is the battery right here. We have 1700 milliamp hour battery. Let's just open that up. Tear out the plastic. Put that over there. And we have a Cherry Mobile Urban user manual. So I don't know if you live where you live. If hopefully you live in the urban area, so you can buy a Cherry Mobile Urban and not live in the okay, fine, you can still probably buy Cherry Mobile Urban even if you live in the rural areas, because, you know, doesn't matter what the name of your phone is, where you live. Alright, so opening that, the back we have looks like a SIM 1 in full size and a SIM 2 in micro size, plus a micro SD card slot. So it's a dual SIM, obviously. And we put in the battery like this, so put on the back, and there we go. Nice black buttons. It's kind of weird motif, but, well, it's kind of interesting motif. That's what I wanted to say. And here is the phone itself. Nice feeling in the hand. This is 4.5 inches. Let's turn it on, and oh, interesting, very, very interesting. Alright, so let's look at the parts right here. Looks like there's capacitive buttons here. There's a menu, home and back, speaker grill on top. Looks like the 2-megapixel camera is over there. Somewhere hidden is probably the proximity sensor and the light sensitivity sensor. So English, and let's go automatic for now. And it's gonna ask for my Wi-Fi, so let's not do that right now. I'm gonna do that after. Let's look at the parts first. So volume rocker on the left side, 3.5mm headset jack on top, and a power button on the right. On the bottom we have a micro USB port for charging and data transfer, and a pinhole microphone. On the back we have a speaker grill, Cherry Mobile logo in, I don't know, gray, Urban logo in the middle, and looks like your 8-megapixel autofocus camera right there. There's your macro shot and a LED flash. So looks pretty good. I like the feel in the hand. It's kind of a, I don't know, it is glossy white back. It is a little, you know, slippery, but it feels pretty good. It fits right in my hand right here. I'm kind of liking this display a little bit. It's QHD, but I like what it looks like to me. Anyway, we are gonna set up our Wi-Fi really quickly because it's asking us all that stuff. and we'll be right back. Alright guys, we're back and we are continuing our out-of-box experience. As you can see, the out-of-box experience is a little bit different. It says, welcome, make yourselves at home. So I'm going to click OK. Organize your space. Wow, that's cool. Touch and hold background to manage wallpaper. OK. And here we go. Nice. This is very stock. I like it. This is probably the Nexus launcher. What do you call that? Because of the icon right there. I might be mistaken, but I do have some KitKat devices, and they look like this. I like this. This is nice. All right, we are back, and as you can see, we have a bunch of apps installed already on the Cherry Mobile Urban, and I've been playing around with the interface for a few minutes, and I really like this guy. This is as stock as Android as you can have, and this looks like the Google Experience Launcher or Google Now Launcher, although you do not get the Google Now when you swipe over there. But these icons right here are pure KitKat. You swipe down, that is pure KitKat. Go to the settings, that is pure KitKat. Even the icon is KitKat icon, as you can see. And even the icons over there are now white because they've changed the colors in KitKat, and even the fonts and all that are KitKat-y. And this phone, I mean, this interface is ridiculously smooth. I have no idea. I don't know if you can, I doubt you can see it in our camera because the camera can only take 30 frames per second. But this is ridiculously smooth. I dare say this is the smoothest local brand I've ever used in the Philippines. I mean, yeah, I mean, I've even used octa-cores and all that, even Snapdragon 400s. This stock Android KitKat is the smoothest. Ridiculous. This is ridiculous. This is very smooth. Yeah, so that just goes to show where stock Android is definitely the #1 in terms of smoothness. We've talked about that before, but as you can see, this is one of the smoothest phones out there available. Anyway, in terms of benchmarks, I do believe I got, there you go, 17,855 in Antutu. That's pretty high. That's probably because it's using stock Android, and of course we haven't actually updated it. As you can see, there's a system software update. We're not going to do that right now, and here's the screenshot of the Antutu benchmark. We're going to play a game, I guess, or check out the camera results that I did just now. Where's the gallery? There we go. So the pictures are pretty decent, though they're a little dark. There you go. It's a little dark, but the quality is still there, as you can see. Anyway, playing a game. We're going to start up Riptide GP2. Alright guys, so I just set up the graphics to be at the highest level, and we're going to play Riptide GP2 really quickly, see how the capabilities of this phone goes. Pretty smooth so far. Let's try, how do you boost again? There you go. Wow, that's smooth. I mean, I guess it's to be expected since it's using a Mali 400 GPU, but I do believe this seems to run faster than other 6582 devices, probably because of the stock Android KitKat. I keep saying stock Android KitKat, but it does make a huge performance impact, at least for I don't know, just the overall responsiveness of the device. And there we go. Yeah, this is running, I don't know how many frames per second this is running, but this is really fast and really smooth. So there you go. Gaming on the Urban. Alright guys, so I think that's about it for our unscripted unboxing of the Cherry Mobile Urban, the first, if not, one of the first, if not the first, local brand phone with Android 4.4 KitKat. And it looks like it's stock Android to boot, and it's beautiful, it's fast, it's smooth. I cannot stress that enough. This is one of the smoothest phones, probably the smoothest phone I've handled. Even though there are octa-cores out there, they're usually skinned, and I hate those skins because they're slow and sluggish. This one is packing, you know, as stock KitKat as possible. It does have NQ mobile security, which is probably something I will, I don't know, uninstall or whatever, but it doesn't have the start lock screen. It has the stock lock screen. It doesn't. There is a software update as well, so that's nice. Yeah, let's check out Flappy Birds. Actually, I want to show you how smooth Flappy Birds runs on this guy. Are we getting an ad? Yeah, I think we're loading an ad. Play. There we go. That is a smooth Flappy Bird experience. Yeah, so Android 4.4 KitKat on this guy. This is priced at, let me check, 4,699. QHD display, 1.3 gigahertz MediaTek processor. I don't know if you like the black on white motif where the buttons are black and the front area is black as well, but I think it's pretty good. It makes for a nice little design touch right there. Yeah, so that is it for the Cherry Mobile Urban. I really like the Android interface. I'm Alex from technoclass.com. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.